Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these really easy Nutella brownies. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As usual, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, so it will be linked below if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. So you want to add your brown sugar and your white sugar to a large bowl, as well as your melted butter and your vanilla extract. This day I only had vanilla bean paste, so that's what I used. I just used a less amount than what the recipe called for because I didn't want it to be a really strong vanilla bean paste while I'm making brownies. Now you want to mix in your eggs one by one. Moving on to our dry ingredients, in a small bowl you want to add your flour, your cocoa powder, and your baking powder, and using a whisk you want to mix this until it's nice and combined. Then you want to slowly add in your dry mixture to your wet and just mix until it's nice and combined. Also, make sure you're scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Now the last thing we're going to be adding to these brownies is the Nutella, so you just want to add all of that into the batter and mix. Now you want to add your batter to a greased baking pan. I believe mine is 13 by 9 inches for size reference. Once you have all of your batter added to your baking pan, just use a rubber spatula to make sure it's evenly in the pan. And the last thing we're going to do before we put this in the oven is take a small piping bag with some Nutella that was in the microwave for a few seconds just to get it a little less thick. And you're going to stripe this onto your batter, and then we're going to go back through with a knife and just run it in between the lines. Now you're going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And make sure it is completely cooled before cutting, because I did not do that and I was like, my brownies aren't cooked all the way, but they were slightly warm and they just needed to be cool completely, because this is more of a gooey brownie style. So it's, I mean, unless you want to eat it while it's warm, it's going to be very, very gooey, almost like raw batter on the inside. So I recommend you just wait till it's cool completely, and then you can enjoy the brownie. And yes, they were very delicious, also great the next day. So I highly recommend these, and also very easy to do. So the original recipe link will be in the description. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, TikTok. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know how you guys like this recipe in the comments if you decided to try it out. Nonetheless, I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys!